Just looking at this box, you might not think of internet technology. This could be a package from a mail order catalog from the days before electronic computers. But it's 2025, so you probably assume this is an online order, and that assumption is correct. Had I not removed the shipping label, you would have seen a barcode. The label was scanned several times during shipping. Despite a potential delay, fulfillment only took days. Before the digital era, this could have taken months. Many elements of shopping can now be done online. Product research, ordering, payment. Deliveries are increasingly computerized. What's next? Transport in the future might be fully automated. Without clumsy humans involved in shipments, packages might not need as much packaging. Even more information could be managed electronically. Labels, flyers, invoices, warranties, and manuals could be digitized instead of printed. Digital seals could replace physical ones to indicate a product hasn't been tampered with. Instead of including parts that a customer might need, smarter logistics could reduce waste and clutter by creating a library of parts that customers could check out as needed. This order came from a business that started as a retail store and later expanded to sell products and courses online. As smarter logistics speeds up delivery and reduces shipping costs, businesses like this one could offer sustainable services like repairs and rentals to a larger customer base at a better profit margin. I think this is the direction e-commerce is going. I bought this microphone kit online to make online content about the future of online shopping. I think shopping in the future will be even more online and hopefully more sustainable. What do you think the future of online shopping will be like?